goal today is to teach Alexander to drive manual. He's about to go to Colombia, and he can't be left stranded out there. If he's renting a car, he got to be able to drive. Ecuador, they're all fucking manual.
They're all manual.
My fucking uncle drove a cab out there, and he drove with one leg, and he was driving manual. Like, you're telling, what's your excuse? Like, he was driving with a stick. Your E30's down, so we can't teach him in that. We're teaching him in the Miata. Around the time you asked me about this, I asked you to watch some videos on manual. Did you do any of that?
I watched one YouTube video.
Okay.
Hopefully that was enough.
Okay. There you go. All right, you're in motion.
Yeah.
What you need to do is clutch in, go into first, and then slowly release your clutch. Boom. You're done. That's it. You're moving.
What's the safe RPM to go to 2?
There's not necessarily a safe RPM. It's really just like how you're feeling and like what's the road conditions. So like you can go in right now if you want. Just clutch in, go into second, let go of the clutch. Yeah, that's it. You're good.
Back.
You're driving, man. Yeah.
You ever like had an exam and you didn't study for it? You just lied saying you studied, you know? And then you just like ace it? That's how I feel right now.
Biting? All right. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Now give it some gas. Release the brake and give it some gas.
My mama Dukes was pregnant with me. His mama Dukes was pregnant with him. Working together.
Yeah, so we're just homies. Like, we've known each other since. I'm just glad he's finally learning. We live in New York. You don't have to drive manual.
Yeah.
But come close to this sidewalk. Go into first, clutch in. Go into first. And now make this U-turn. Go for it. Make it sharp. You don't have to put any gas. There you go. You're good. Go for it. There you go. Let me see you go into second, dude. There you go. That's it. Man, driving. Let's go. That's it. Why are you on that side of the road, bro? Forgot how to drive?
Yeah, I'm right here, man.
Alright, now you gotta come to a stop. Yeah, release the clutch. You gotta do it sooner. So once you go into gear, you gotta release it sooner. You can't like hold on to the clutch.
It's like when you don't know how to tie your shoes, then you know how to tie your shoes.
It's E, it's me. Bitch. He get done up, 2024 my year for the come up. Put them on play close like butter. Talk out they ass when they call me brother. Low my defenses, no need for mistress. Me and my queen bag hoes up together. This not an AK, this not the M9, this is my side piece, we stick together. Men's got flow, no menstrual. Love my queens all black like Pinto. I need Rari's for my ego. Love my hoes in threes, no migo. She tastes me like miso. Another man down, better watch that ego. Queens get money, do the shit for my people. Pray to God I don't reach you. Cody, sipping, just like Queens, get busy. My niggas run the trade. Friends, they with me, wanna give me phase. E, it's me, know I run the game. Cody, sipping, just like lemonade. Queens, get busy. Niggas
Hey man, you got it done, man. You ready to go to Colombia?
they wanna give me it's me,
Shit, man.
know I run the
Ready?
game.
Driving through the liquor store faded, braided, hands in this motherfucker wave.